If you want to block someone on Zelle, follow these simple steps to ensure your transactions remain secure and private. Here is how to do it effectively. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access your contacts. Navigate to the contacts section within the app. This is where you can see the list of people you have interacted with or sent money to. Step 3. Select the contact. Find the person you wish to block in your contacts list. Tap on their name to view their details and transaction history. Step 4. Block the contact. Look for the option to block or remove the contact. This may be represented by a block icon or a similar option in the settings menu. Confirm your choice to block the contact. Step 5. Confirm the block. After blocking, you may receive a confirmation message. It shows that the contact is no longer visible in your list of contacts or transactions to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Zelle. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Zelle's customer support.